Okay, this came in yesterday, and let's take a look and see what it is. I know what it is, but I figured I'd open it so you guys can see it too. We'll take this. This is the GameSir Wuchang Fallen Feathers Special Edition controller. So we'll sit here and take a look at it for a second. The box comes with the charging stand and the controller. And of course you can see it's made for Xbox. This sells for $99.99 on the GameSir website. So let's open it up and see if we can see what this thing looks like here. Let's see. We have the charging stand. The controller. Let's take these off right here. We also have a few different D-pads. I don't normally like using the one we have right here. This one actually may have a separate way to remove it than others do. Like the Elite controllers, you can just pop them off. There may be another way we have to change those out. You also get the, of course, USB adapter for wireless, so you can connect that way. One thing I would like to see, but they don't do it very often, is possibly a spot here where you could put the adapter so you don't lose it, but of course that's not what they do. So in the box, of course, we have a USB-C controller cable. We also have a little instruction book. We also have a GameSir sticker. Well, we have an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. I don't see how long this is good for. It's usually either 14 days or a month, so here's more of the instruction booklet. We also get a Wuchang Fallen Feathers keychain. Okay, this just pops off. You can see the insides of the controller there. So let me see, I can pop this off. I don't like the rounded D-pads, so I'll take that one off. See, I prefer the directional pads like this one. There we go. You see the A, B, X, Y buttons have a sort of different font to them than the others do. I actually kind of like the way the inside of that controller looks. Put this back on. Just snaps right back on there. Of course, we have the usual menu, capture, select buttons. This looks like a mapping button, so you can map the back paddles. We also have trigger, and of course trigger locks. And they actually have 2 extra buttons right there you can map besides the right buttons, left buttons. I have there's a switch right here. That's normally either for profiles or it's for using either wired or wireless connection. I'll have to test that out to see how it works. So it's actually a nice, pretty controller. Then we'll have, of course, controller on the stand. That's a very nice looking keychain there too. So again, you get the 2 directional tabs, X button. Got a nice little design, and you can't really tell, but it's not smooth. It's kind of like a feathered texture for the sides here. Of course, it's got rubberized grips on the sides. It's very, very nice looking controller. This is one of those ones I'm not sure if I'm going to use. I may just put this one on display. I may use it once or twice just to see how well it works. I got a Silent Hill 2 Special Edition controller, but since I've had it, the left stick and right sticks both like to stick in down positions, so I just use it for display. I don't actually play it. So that's what we got right here. So I'll probably give it a try once or twice just to see how it feels. It's actually got a lighter feel to it than a Elite controller. Like I said, this is the Wuchang Fallen Feathers GameSir controller. So we have that, the cable, the other directional pads, the wireless adapter. Again, it would be nice to have a spot where you could actually store it on your either the controller base somewhere, but maybe like a little slide down the bottom. But that's okay. Actually, all in all, a very nice looking controller.